He dodged on mine.
Yeah, my other two guns are being real slow to turn. But my secondaries are going off.
I'm gonna get fucked by torpedoes. Fuck you, bitch.
Wow.
Here's some of your own medicine for you. She's running ashore. Fuck you!
Enemy destroyer foundered.
I'm going after that fucking carrier.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Oh, I'm gonna hit you. I'm sorry, I didn't see it. Oh god. Full stop, full stop, full stop!
I'm trying to swing
You're
my
clear.
tail.
Alrighty, that was fun. That was fun fucking with that little guy. My torpedoes missed, his missed. I don't know how I dodged his. Like, I was just pure luck, I think. There's a guy, the cruiser to our right, 5 kilometers.
He's focused on that destroyer, though.
Who's going after the carrier that we're going after? I'll swing over towards him, intercept him. Hopefully I get a couple torpedoes in his front.
He's right.
Doesn't see me though.
Guns are taking forever to turn.
Slope generator started.
Yarr, matey, yarr.